this question. Now the first one, the volleyball. So we are asked to change dimension to centimeter. So we have 20 meters. Will give us 20 times 100, because 100 centimeter make 1 meter. 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 So here is going to be 2000 centimeter. 2000 centimeter. Just add the zeros, these two zeros to these, and multiply by 1, so it will give us centimeter. So here we also have the 30 meters. So we have 30 times 100. That will give us centimeter. So multiplying that, just add the zeros to these. We have 3000 centimeter, and multiply by this one to give you say 3000. So now we want to now find the dimension. When we talk about dimension, we are saying that the area of the court, of the volleyball court is equals to length times breadth. You multiply that, that is the longest part. We have 3000 times the 2000, and that will give us centimeter square, because centimeter and centimeter will give us centimeter square. And the value here, just add up all these zeros. We have 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, add the zeros, then times 2, will give us, just multiply this now with this, will give us 6000. 6. Then we now add up zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have centimeter square. So we have here it's going to be 6 million centimeter square, and that gives us the second part of the question. The third part of the question, we have 400. That is the second part of the question, number 2. We have 400 hundreds, and that will give us 4 divided by 100. So, and this will be 0.04. Move the point. The point is here because it's 4.0. So just move the point 2 times backward. Is that okay? Move the point 2 times backward. 1, 2. So this point stops here, and same thing as 0.04 or 0.04. Just add 0 to that to become 0.04 in decimal fraction. That's one decimal fraction. So 400 is 0.04. This is 2 decimal places. We're going to be talking about it later. This is the 2 decimal places. Then let's go to the second one. The second one is 6 million. 6 million. That means millionth over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the value here is, you move it into 6. Just move it 6 times because this is 6.0. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 0 and this. So if you want to come back to this, you just move it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.0. Now that will give us the same thing as 6 over 1 million. So the value of 6 million will give us 0.000 0.00006. So if you move it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be equivalent to this 1 million. Is that okay? That's clear. Now let's look at the third one. C is 7 divided by 1,000. 7 divided by 1,000. So move it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 0.07. That means if you move it this way, 1, 2, 3. So that is 0.03, or you say 0.007. 0.07, not 0.003. 0.007. This value is equivalent to this 0.007. Now, I hope that is clear. Now, let's go to the last one, which is find the product of 5 these values. Now, of course, you know product is multiplication. Product is multiplication. Difference is minus subtraction. And addition, of course, you know is plus. Addition, you know is plus. Subtraction, you know is minus. Then product multiplication, you know is product. Is that okay? Difference is negative. That is subtraction. Sum is addition. Sum is addition. Product is multiplication, and difference is subtraction. So now let's go to this. So we're asked to find the product. We are saying that this is the third one. That will give us 5/3/4 times 6/2/5. So we are going to change this. So we're going to say 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 plus that is 3, that is 23 divided by 4 times 5 times 6, that is 30, that's 32 divided by 5. So here just multiply it. Just multiply it. We are going to give us 23 times 32 divided by 20. Because we are, so you can use your calculator. You can use your calculator to solve that, or if you don't want to use your calculator, you can use your manual. So you say 2 times 32. Multiply. These times are 6, 4. Then take this 9, 6 again. So we add them together. We're going to have 6, 13, carry 1. Then we have 7. So this value is 736 divided by 20. No, I can now move this point to take away. I will move it once, so I will have 73.6 divided by 2. So I'm going to have now divide 73.6 divided by 2. So I'm going to say start from here. I'm going to have 3, then the 1. In 13 is 6, then the 1. Then because of this point, put it there. Then 16 is 8. So the value of this 55 whole number 3 divided over 4 times 6 whole number 2 over 5 is 36.8. 36.8. I hope that is clear. If you are not very clear about how to divide, I'm going to show you that in time. If you ask me the question, I'm going to show you. Thank you very much for listening. I hope it's clear. Thank you.